on the truck already. And on the smart cars. The Cavalier. My car's clean, I just came from school. And the truck bed. The light went on, can you tell? Look at all the snow. Pretty. This is the backyard. Can you see it? That looks cool. No planes coming in or anything. Trying to get it falling in the light. There we go. See it? Yay! See the snow? See it falling? Yay! February 2nd, Groundhog Day. I'm going to go with, we were having 6 more weeks of winter. Supposed to snow on Friday too, so there's it. We got all Ed's stuff out of the truck. It's about an inch so far. On the bushes, that looks kind of cool. And the truck. Yeah, smart cars, look at them. Dad's been there the longest. It's his car. Okay, that's the snow falling. See it by the window?